First chapter is 4-digit number. Already in previous class I will explain you largest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number. How can we write? So once again we recall the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. Say what? Must and should we take 1 after zeros in smallest number. So 1 after how many zeros? 3. Why? Because 4 digits. That's why here 1, 2, 3, 4 digits came 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. At the same time, greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number say must and should we take 9's in greatest number. That's why 9999. So we are learn now face value and place value. Face value and place value. So what is the face value? Face value means the face value of digit is the value of the digit itself at whatever place it may be. Okay. So for example, I will write one number here. What is the face value of 5? Say itself only. Itself. That means 5 is in thousands place. 1, 10, 100, thousands. But the actual value is 5. That's why face value 5. Okay. No need to write a place value. Okay. This is face value. What is the actual value of the digit? That is only face value. That's why. And 3. 3 in hundreds place. But no need to write in place value. Here only face value. That's why 3 itself only, face value itself. That's why 3 face value 3. At the same time 2 face value 2. Next 7 face value say how much? Yes, 7 only. Itself only. Okay, itself only. This line. But what is the place value? Now we will see what is the face value. Place value. For example, I will write another number. Here see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here 8. What is the place value of 8? How much? 8 is in which place? 1. You know, already we say place value. Which place is 8 is 1's place. That's why 8 is a place value. How much? 8. Okay. Next, this 3 is which place? 10's place. That's why 3 place value how much? Which place have this 3? 10's place. That's why automatically this value is 30. At the same time 8. 8 place value. 8 place value. 8 is in hundreds place. That's why 8 place value is 800. Next 5. What is the place value of 5? Which place is 5? Thousands place. That's why 5 place value 5,000. Once see here 8 have and here also 8 have. But place value is same. No. Why? Because this 8 is in 1's place and this 8 is in hundreds place. That's why this 8 place value is 8 only and this 8 place value 800. But face values are these both are equal, same. But place value is changed. Are you understood? Okay. Now I want to explain expanded form and short form. for example, first of all, expanded form. Expand means elaborating. So, first of all, 2173. This is one example. Here, this 3 is ones place, 7 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place, this 2 in thousands place. So, how can we write 2 in thousands place? That's why 2000. We will elaborate the number and write. Next, this one is in which place? Hundreds place. Yes, 100. Plus, this 7 is which place? Tens place. That's why 7 tens. Plus, this 3 is in ones place. So, 3 ones. Okay. Next, we will write another method also. 2000 means write like this. 2000 plus 100 means 100 plus 710 means 70 plus 31 means 3. This is the expanded form of this number. Again I will say 2173. We will write in expanded form. First of all, we write 2 in thousands place, that's why 2000. 1 in hundreds place, that's why we write 100. Plus 7 in tens place, we will write 7 tens. Plus 3 in ones place, 3 ones. So, we will write like this. This is the expanded form. Okay, I will give another example also. This is also one 4-digit number. First of all, we write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. After, what can we do? We will elaborate and write. Expand and write. 7 in thousands place. Yes, 7,000. Plus, yes, say 3 which place? Hundreds place. So, how can we write? 300. Plus, this 8 which place? Tens place. So, 8 tens. Plus, this 6 is in ones place. 6 ones. So, again we will write another method. 7,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 6. Like this. I will give 2 problems for homework. All of you do the homework and send my phone number. First one is 2173. Expanded form, right? Okay. And second one 7580. Do this homework. Write in expanded form. All of you write on your notebooks now and do the homeworks. 2173 and 7580. These two do the homework. Next one, I will say short form of the number.